His new toy.
That's not that new thing, is it?
No.
No, they're not out.
Got a Kodak. There's still, yeah.
Chicken.
No, no. I'll make it down.
Hang on to that thing. Hang on to that thing. Clear the hill.
How's it going, George? You don't have to do this all day.
Murder. More chili.
Okay, calm down, okay? Can you give me a push on that?
Where's the relief help?
You gotta find your own.
I know what you're trying to do.
Hey, Dick.
What, you got a maze here?
Yeah?
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Listen, I'm already cold than I did. No, it's how many hours you only have time to do?
Walk right into the mic.
Who did?
You.
Oh, talking to Mike. Don't embarrass me. You know what?
It's wet.
Morgie.
It's wet. It's warm.
How are you?
It rains.
Because I like it. You look younger with it.
I knew you were lying to me in the beginning.
Does that mean if we all throw one, we'll all look good?
And it was a little slushy. I mean, there was some slush.
All right, where's that hot tub? I want to get him in that hot tub.
What I would give for that hot dog? But they work hard.
Yeah. And some of it, we snowed one night we were there.
All right.
There you are. Hey, wait.
You okay, Mike? You all right, Mike? Huh? You all right?
Yeah, I'm just gonna shoot off my nose.
You like crooked.
Come on, Jack.
That's Jack coming down the road, Jack. That's it?
Good one. Gotcha.
Where's the rope toe?
Oh, holy shit. What's this? I know.
It's not too bad of a sleigh ride.
Oh, no, it's nice. We had to shut it down. John Hinkle is here. And it's Levy. Used to be back up into the trees, and we had too many kids hurt themselves, so they just have the neighbors run it now.
Run what?
Just neighbor kids go over here now. We used to have people driving up and dropping kids off in the street.
From around the whole place?
Oh, anywhere. You know,
Oh, yeah. Must be home.
some kid took from way off up there, hit these two bumps, and he was airborne. He broke both of his wrists right down here. No, this is several years ago.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, I wouldn't stand for that either. Yeah, it's just getting carried away.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, wreck a good thing. Whoa.
I gotta get this inside. It's gonna freeze up.
I don't know where these kids get their energy from. He has to walk way to the other side of the house there?
Oh, he'll make it.
Huh?
He'll make it.
Oh.
Well, how you doing?
All right, I'm just hanging in there. I was so tired. I tell you, ever since I've come home, I've been sleeping.
Yeah?
This is the first day I haven't taken a nap. I'll be ready for it when we go home.
All
Stop that thing.
Huh?
Stop that thing.
I'll show it to you in a minute.
You know, I wanted to ask you, about... Shut it off.
What?
If
Oh,
me and
yeah.
meet Mike coming home from work,
Sure.
I could just go there.
Yeah, I play over there when I can't get a cart here.
Yeah, is it just as busy there?
Yeah, and they got fewer carts.
Yeah. How'd you guys do?
Pretty cheap price to play with your kids and entertain them for a day.
Yeah, well,
Lousy hot dog. I entertain 20
Listen,
kids, keep out of everyone's hair.
wouldn't even been invited if it wasn't for my kids.
That's true. I gotta tell you something, Pat.
You got a picture of his mouth.
The 6th annual Blizzard Blast. What happened to the first 5? I was here for 3 of them.
Kids didn't know you. That's right. Hey, give me that again. The 6th annual Blizzard Blast. What year? What day? What is it today?
What is today?
Yeah. January?
January 20th.
What year? 1984.
1984.
The day the ceiling fell in. The ceiling in my living room fell in.
What do you mean? From what?
Huh?
From what?
Water from upstairs. The whole goddamn thing fell down last night about 3:30. Yeah. I had a plumber out here at 4 o'clock.
Pipe froze and
No,
burst?
I don't know when.
You better check your attic, Bob. Better check your attic.
I've ripped the whole damn thing out this morning.
Yeah?
I kind of like that cathedral ceiling, but this is a little different. The pipes show and everything.
Well, I guess we don't have to worry
There's
about
some kind of leak somewhere. I haven't checked it out yet. I just turned
Is it
the
still
water
leaking?
on.
Did you check your attic?
No, it's not there.
We had a bad leak and it was from our attic.
We'll check it out.